Hey guys, so I'm kind of noticing I didn't get very many people getting lesson 3 in by this Tuesday. Um, so just remember you guys are going to have to work outside of class to get these done. Because honestly, we have Tuesday, Thursdays to work in this class, but it's not a very long class. It only goes till 9:15, so get a little bit over an hour twice a week. So, I mean, you're going to have to probably spend an hour or two outside of class getting these lessons done. Um, so, I did try to provide scaffolding to you guys with these due dates so that you're not getting super behind with the 3 lessons. And that's all we're working on this week. We're not doing any other projects. So, if you get these done by Sunday and you have time, I would say get your thumbnail ideas for the t-shirt project done by Sunday or even Monday before class, because then you can really use your time in class to work with Illustrator on your t-shirt project next week so that you have basically, that full hour and 15 minutes to work on your t-shirt project next week, Tuesday and Thursday. So you're optimizing your time with Illustrator basically, because I know a lot of you don't have it at home. And that's another thing to talk about quickly with you guys is that if you don't have a good computer at home and you don't have the Adobe Suite at home, then you're going to have to come in to the Mac Lab during the day or even the extended hours in the evening or on weekends at the library. I don't think it's open Sunday or Saturday, but it is open Sunday, the library is. So that's an option. But you also might want to seriously consider potentially investing in a machine for yourself. So seriously investing in a computer, either a desktop or a laptop. And that's something that we can talk about if you're interested in that, because if you think that's going to improve your grades, to have that tool, and if you want to be a graphic designer, you're going to need that tool anyway. And a lot of times when you're a student, you get student discounts, so it's not a bad time to buy a computer and invest in a computer for your schoolwork. And also when you graduate, you can have it into the future. So there's a lot of options out there. You don't have to get a Macintosh. You can get more affordable options. Desktops are great options because you get more bang for your buck. They're more processing power and less expensive than a laptop, but they lack the portability. So it's kind of up to you to make that decision ultimately, but we can talk about those things if you're interested in investing in a machine to help you with your schoolwork and also in the future, hopefully, with your design work after you graduate. So something to consider if you're really not wanting to come into the Mac Lab, if you're really not wanting to work in the library, it's something to consider to just get yourself a computer, because it might actually be worth it for you in the long run to just invest in something. Make your life a little bit easier, make your grades better, that kind of thing. So I did see, if I went in here, a couple people have a couple assignments done. I think it might be Elias, so good job, Elias. Thumbs up. And if you need help looking for a computer, just let me know.